Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping Bot. In this channel, I show you guys the progress I make with a Python program that is meant to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq and to gain, by that way, a passive form of income. And in a daily report, I tell you guys, what did I change in the code? What and how did the bot do, and how did we do on the market? And we're gonna see how we did today. And because we had nothing to do with the code the last couple of days, I'm skipping that part of the video because the only thing I did was changing the trailing stop loss distance from 25 to 28. So nothing special there. And we're going to take a look at the bot. And if we're going to take a look at the bot, you will see that the bot had not quite a good day today, because we are now at a minus of 18 euro and the balance is way down to 400. So it doesn't look well. You see the stop loss distance is up to 30. But if we're going to look at the market today, then we're going to see how this went with the bot. And if we take a look at the market, then we see we had a market starting this day, not this day, but starting this trading day on the market with a fair game going down until almost 4:30, then some minor movements up, and then most of the evening we see it goes sideways. And sideways, but in this particular hour right here, we had candles, red candles, with long wicks. And that's not good for the bot. We all know, if you're following the channel, this is no good for the bot. We made 28 trades today. That's a lot. That's really a lot. And let's take a look at the reports. You see that the most of those trades to the negative side came from the moment after we had those nice market points. You see, at 5 p.m. we already had 414, so we went up a couple of euros. But from that moment on, most of the trades are all in the negative. And if you look, you see, for 5:45 until 8:15, 5:45, that's this one, 5:45 until 8:15, are all sideways movement, and most of them are the movements with these large wicks on the candle. And that is devastating for the bot. And the AI could not handle this as well. If we're going to look at it, there was nothing we could do, and we are not doing very well with the bot. Oh, we're looking at the 1 hour for today. We see we had a down again. Now let's take the 1 day because that's more clear. We had a day with a very small candle with long wicks on both sides, which means there was a lot of volatility and indecision on the market today, and that is what killing the results of the bot. Because the last couple of days we had small profits, but at least we had a profit. But these kind of market days are killing for the bot. And the news out there, and you all heard it from today, I don't get it, but there is, now Powell is the man that should leave because he is always too late. I don't get it. I really don't get it. If Powell would lower the interest rates, that's what Trump wants to, then the entire economy of the United States will dive straight into a recession, and this is unbelievable. It's really unbelievable, and it has almost no use to run the bot right now, because there's someone at the helm of all this trading that's being done that has no clue what he's doing other than making his rich friends richer and the poorer poor. So, for the time being, I'm going to close this and I'm going to end this until I have some more news about what we're doing and how the bot is doing. But with this unstable market in the United States, it has no use to run this bot because it is not programmed to react to the market's grill states of a lunatic at the helm. So, keep on up, subscribe, and you will get a notice again when the market is better again and when I have something to report that actually has used to be reported. Have a little fun every day, and see you guys in the next video.